Hello everyone, my name is Dori ONeill and I created the channel Master Affiliate Profits Review. And part of my way of helping people that are looking to make money online succeed is to offer you a done-for-you system that means that you don't have to spend a lot of time learning how to, because I'm going to do basically everything for you. So you can really help out by taking a moment and subscribing to my channel and liking this video and leaving a comment. So this is going to be the first video outlining and showing you exactly what you get in terms of bonuses. And then the next video, I'm going to start the process on showing you how to tie in a YouTube channel. And don't worry, it's easy. You don't have to appear on camera, using artificial intelligence to build a channel that will actually feed organic traffic into this YouTube channel. Now, what you're seeing here is the home page. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you how you can take a test drive for this home page. And when you take the test drive, I want you to be aware that you're actually getting this for free. You're either getting it for free in template form if you join as a free member, and if you join as a paid member, you're getting the complete done-for-you system where I pay for the hosting, I pay Groove Pages for the maintenance and upkeep on this page, and I pay for and put all the video content that you're about to see into these pages. So let's get started. This is your home page. This is page one. And in page one, you basically have the capture page, which will allow you to bring your members into this page, and they'll see that they're going to get a free $2,000 bonus at minimum. I'm giving you giveaway rights. And this is actually one of my members' pages. It's the first person that actually took advantage of my bonus way back a few months ago. And this is Nick Kovac's page. Your page will be identical. The only difference is this form right here will actually be your form tied in to your Aweber autoresponder, which is built into Master Affiliate Profits. So once a person enters their details into this form, they immediately go to this day one video. And this day one video has been done for you. It's completely professionally done. It's got voiceover. It's got everything that you need to succeed. It, as you can see, has high quality production. It's 1080p, and it is designed to provide people with information that they need to be able to learn about what Master Affiliate Profits offers them. So that's very important. You're actually educating them as they go through this free test drive, and you're also showing them the bonus that they're going to receive when they join. And this link down here on all the pages, when it says join map, they'll be joining your Master Affiliate Profits business, and we've programmed this in so that once you join Master Affiliate Profits through my link, which is yesenroll.com/map, then you will be able to have your link put in here, and that will lead directly to your pages. So now here is the day two video, and the day two video again has professional quality, and you can see that it's been graphically enhanced. There's all kinds of information that's in here that's relevant, and this particular video also cues them to information that tells them what they're going to get when they join as a free member or paid member with Master Affiliate Profits. At the bottom of the video, it highlights what they're going to get on day two. Now, something you won't see here today is that not only do I provide you with this entire funnel, which is valued at $5,000 if you're a paid member, but you're also getting all of the email sequences and the setup of Aweber basically handed to you on a silver platter. So you don't have to do any work. Here's day 3, and you can see it talks about email marketing, and it basically shares with them information about the email system that's integrated within Master Affiliate Profits. Very powerful, really helps them make their minds up. And again, it encourages them to join, and then this will be your link. Join through your link. If we go on to the following day, which is day 4, you can see that this is about the sales funnel. Now, I'm talking about 2 sales funnels here. I'm talking about this free bonus sales funnel, which, by the way, will increase your conversion rate by 80 to 90%. And I'm also talking about the sales funnel that has been built in by John Thornhill and Omar Martin into the Master Affiliate Profits ecosystem. Then we go on to day 5, and we're talking about, how to earn money online without investing. And this is true for people that join Master Affiliate Profits because it's frictionless enrollment. You can join for free. And I encourage you again to take the test drive and then click the Join Map button. Then we go on here to day 6, and this talks about one of the most important aspects of the Master Affiliate Profits system, and that is the fact that it is the ultimate lead magnet. Now, I take the Master Affiliate Profits lead magnet and I magnify it by 100-fold for you by giving you this amazing lead magnet, which is the ability to give away a $5,000 YouTube viral funnel. And later on, after a person enrolls, they're going to learn how to set up their own YouTube channel to drive organic YouTube traffic to their system. Then we go on to day 7. And again, all these videos are done for you. And we talk about product creation and other things that is also covered inside of Master Affiliate Profits. But I give you systems that are already pre-done along with the email sequences. So instead of spending hours upon hours studying courses, you can go right from beginning to making money within probably 72 hours without ever having to study a course, because I've done it all for you. And then you go back into Master Affiliate Profits, you take and you fill in the gaps where you're missing information, and you'll even make more money because I'm giving you the foundation to get started right away. So there's very little time gap between joining and actually starting to make money if you simply deploy the system that's done for you that I'm giving you. So it's quite extraordinary. Then we go on and we talk about YouTube. And YouTube obviously is very, very powerful. YouTube is a game changer. And so what you're getting here is you're not just getting this YouTube viral funnel. I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube channel to drive even more traffic to your YouTube channel. This is extraordinary. This is where all the money is made, and YouTube, as you may know, is the biggest and most viral search engine. But I'm going even a step further by providing you with how to set up the videos using AI. You don't have to appear on camera. This is all done for you. It is amazing, and all you have to do is basically follow a simple set of instructions, and I'll have you with a YouTube channel that others are charging you more than $2,000 for the information. I'm giving it all to you for free, plus I'm giving you a done DoneForYou YouTube viral funnel ranging in value between $2,000 and $5,000, depending if you're a free member or a paid member. What more could you want? And you can enroll for free to see if what I'm saying is really true by just clicking my free test drive at yesshowme.com/map. It's quite extraordinary. Here's day 9. And we talk about residual income, but we don't just talk about residual income. We're giving you residual income systems that are done for you, that are already built into the system that I've created, that my team's created, that my employees have created, so that you can not only start making money from master affiliate profits, but you can make money from secondary residual revenue streams by using the Master Affiliate Profits platform to its maximum extent. And if you're one of the rare individuals that have your own product line, your own business opportunity, your own online service, then you're also going to learn through my free live webinars how to actually plug that in. You'll be able to remove what I'm giving to you for free and just instantly insert your product, your goods, your service into the existing system I'm giving to you for free. And you're going to be able to start capitalizing on your existing business and start making money from the leads that come in through this amazing system that I'm giving away. And it all starts by taking the test drive and then joining my master affiliate team by joining through the join map button that's below each and every video. And on day 10, we have graduation day. And graduation day will provide you with all the information, the complete overview on what you can use with Master Affiliate Profits. But more importantly, it will also mean that you and your people that go through your basic YouTube funnel and take the free test drive will actually have a complete knowledge and understanding, and they're going to get this system, and you will make even more money because you're going to get higher levels of conversion, more people participating, and I'm giving you all of this for free when you join Master Affiliate Profits through my link. And the last day, we actually give them access to the bonuses automatically for you so that you can actually benefit immediately from a person getting active. And if you're a platinum member within Master Affiliate Profits, that means you'll start to earn tier 2 commissions immediately. So this is the overview. These are all of the pages that you're going to get for free, either in a template form or a complete done-for-you form when you join Master Affiliate Profits through my link or somebody else's link. In the next video, I'm going to talk about setting up your YouTube channel, and there's going to be a series of videos on that, and I'm going to show you how this all ties in. And it only ties in if you get this free 10-part YouTube viral funnel, because I'm going to show you how to exploit the traffic from your YouTube channel to put it into your free 10-part YouTube viral funnel, which is going to drive traffic and enrollments into Master Affiliate Profits. And most importantly, it's going to create a profit cycle that's going to drive cash into your pocket. My name's Dori ONeill. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits. Goodbye.